Trump Tower NYC has welcomed celebrities, VIPs, and world leaders over the years.
Designed by Scott, Trump Tower NYC blends modernism with timeless luxury.
Welcome to Trump Tower NYC, the iconic 300M skyscraper that defines Manhattan luxury. Trump Tower NYC isn't just a building. It's a symbol of style, wealth, and architectural excellence. Today, we'll explore every corner of Trump Tower NYC, revealing its secrets and luxury spaces.
Trump Tower NYC is valued at $300 million, making it one of New York's most prestigious properties. Rising high above Fifth Avenue, Trump Tower NYC dominates the skyline with elegance and style. Trump Tower NYC seamlessly combines condos, offices, and luxury retail under one roof. One of Trump Tower NYC's most captivating features is its 60-foot indoor waterfall in the Atrium.
Trump Tower NYC has welcomed celebrities, VIPs, and world leaders over the years.
Join us as we step inside Trump Tower NYC to uncover its luxury, history, and architectural marvels. Located on the prestigious Fifth Avenue, Trump Tower NYC stands at the heart of Manhattan.
Trump Tower NYC is instantly recognizable and a must-see landmark for visitors to the city.
Trump Tower NYC is surrounded by luxury boutiques, restaurants, and cultural landmarks.
Tourists from around the world flock to Trump Tower NYC to witness its grandeur and luxury.
With luxury shopping all around, Trump Tower NYC sits amidst Manhattan's most exclusive stores.
Being inside Trump Tower NYC means stepping into a world of prestige and high society.
Trump Tower NYC set a new standard for luxury skyscrapers in New York City.
Easily accessible in Midtown, Trump Tower NYC is a central destination for luxury and culture. Trump Tower NYC makes a bold architectural statement with its sleek glass and bronze exterior.
Trump Tower NYC isn't just a building. It's the crown jewel of Fifth Avenue, New York City.
Designed by Scott, Trump Tower NYC blends modernism with timeless luxury.
Inside Trump Tower NYC, marble floors and brass accents create an unmatched sense of luxury.
Trump Tower NYC cleverly balances residential comfort with commercial sophistication.
Trump Tower NYC's design enhances the skyline, merging luxury with bold architecture. Floor-to-ceiling windows in Trump Tower NYC flood the interiors with natural light and stunning views.
The atrium of Trump Tower NYC is a masterpiece, featuring soaring ceilings and a dramatic waterfall.
Trump Tower NYC is not just a building. It's a fusion of art, architecture, and urban luxury.
Construction of Trump Tower NYC began in 1979, marking the start of a luxury icon.
Trump Tower NYC reached its full height by 1983, a remarkable feat of engineering. Thousands of skilled workers contributed to making Trump Tower NYC a reality.
Steel, reinforced concrete, and bronze elements were crucial in constructing Trump Tower NYC. Building Trump Tower NYC involved overcoming complex logistical and structural challenges. Despite its scale, Trump Tower NYC was completed efficiently, taking just 4 years. Safety was paramount during the construction of Trump Tower NYC, ensuring every worker was protected.
Trump Tower NYC utilized cutting-edge construction techniques for its time.
Effective project management ensured Trump Tower NYC was delivered on schedule and to luxury standards. The construction of Trump Tower NYC transformed a vision into one of New York's most famous skyscrapers. Trump Tower NYC rises 58 stories above Manhattan, dominating the skyline with elegance.
Floors. Trump Tower NYC combines steel and concrete to achieve both strength and style.
Each floor of Trump Tower NYC is meticulously designed for luxury residential, office, or retail use.
A deep, reinforced foundation supports the towering structure of Trump Tower NYC.
Trump Tower NYC is engineered to withstand wind loads and seismic activity in New York City.
Trump Tower NYC's high-speed elevators efficiently connect all 58 floors with ease.
The floor-to-ceiling windows in Trump Tower NYC provide panoramic city views on every level. Trump Tower NYC seamlessly integrates multiple uses into a single luxury skyscraper structure.
The rooftop of Trump Tower NYC offers spectacular views of Manhattan and architectural elegance.
Trump Tower NYC stands as a testament to engineering, design, and luxury in New York City.
The grand lobby of Trump Tower NYC welcomes visitors with marble floors and a luxurious atmosphere.
Soaring ceilings in Trump Tower NYC create a sense of openness and grandeur.
Visitors can stroll through the elegant lobby of Trump Tower NYC and admire its stunning design.
Trump Tower NYC provides luxurious seating areas for visitors to relax amidst the grandeur.
Trump Tower NYC merges contemporary elegance with classic luxury in its lobby.
Art pieces and sculptures in Trump Tower NYC's atrium enhance its lavish ambiance.
The lobby and atrium of Trump Tower NYC are a true introduction to its world-class luxury. Trump Tower NYC houses premium retail shops, offering an exclusive shopping experience. Inside Trump Tower NYC, shoppers can find top designer brands and luxury boutiques.
The retail floors of Trump Tower NYC are organized for maximum elegance and comfort.
Trump Tower NYC draws shoppers seeking elite brands and luxury services.
Tourists visiting Manhattan often stop at Trump Tower NYC to explore its luxurious stores.
Personalized service in Trump Tower NYC's shops ensures a premium shopping experience.
The presence of luxury retail elevates Trump Tower NYC's status as a high-end destination.
Several floors of Trump Tower NYC are dedicated to premium office spaces for elite businesses.
Trump Tower NYC hosts high-profile companies and executives in its office floors. Trump Tower NYC hosts high-profile companies and executives in its office floors. Trump Tower NYC hosts high-profile companies and executives in its office floors.
The office floors of Trump Tower NYC feature modern layouts with panoramic views.
Tenants at Trump Tower NYC enjoy luxury amenities, including private elevators and concierge services.
Having an office in Trump Tower NYC reflects success and status in the business world.
Advanced security ensures that offices in Trump Tower NYC remain safe and private.
Trump Tower NYC provides cutting-edge technology and connectivity for its corporate tenants. Trump Tower NYC office floors offer breathtaking cityscape views that inspire creativity. Trump Tower NYC offers opulent residential condos with unmatched Manhattan views.
Residents of Trump Tower NYC enjoy private gyms, pools, and concierge services.
Residents of Trump Tower NYC enjoy top-notch privacy and security in their homes.
Trump Tower NYC provides 24/7 concierge services for all its residents' needs.
Owning a condo in Trump Tower NYC is both a luxury and a smart investment.
Trump Tower NYC redefines city living with elegance, comfort, and luxury at every level.
The Trump Tower NYC penthouse spans multiple floors, offering the ultimate luxury experience.
Gold finishes and marble details define the opulent interiors of Trump Tower NYC's penthouse.
From the Trump Tower NYC penthouse, residents enjoy breathtaking views of Central Park and the skyline. Trump Tower NYC penthouses feature top-of-the-line kitchens, gyms, and entertainment areas. The penthouse at Trump Tower NYC ensures unmatched privacy and security for its residents.
Owning a penthouse in Trump Tower NYC is a symbol of ultimate wealth and status.
Carefully curated lighting and design elevate the elegance of Trump Tower NYC's penthouse interiors. Trump Tower NYC's penthouse combines luxury, style, and exclusivity in one remarkable residence. Trump Tower NYC interiors showcase a perfect blend of modern elegance and classic luxury. Marble floors and walls throughout Trump Tower NYC exemplify timeless sophistication. Brass and metallic finishes in Trump Tower NYC interiors add a touch of glamour and refinement.
Carefully selected furnishings in Trump Tower NYC create a luxurious and inviting atmosphere.
Elegant chandeliers and ambient lighting illuminate the interiors of Trump Tower NYC. Textures like marble, wood, and metal are harmoniously combined in Trump Tower NYC interiors. From lobby to penthouse, Trump Tower NYC maintains a consistent theme of opulence. The interior design of Trump Tower NYC is a testament to sophistication and modern luxury. Trump Tower NYC implements advanced security systems to protect residents and visitors alike. CCTV and monitoring throughout Trump Tower NYC ensure constant vigilance. Secure keycard and private elevator access protect sensitive areas in Trump Tower NYC.
Trump Tower NYC offers discreet private entrances for residents and high-profile guests.
Residents of Trump Tower NYC enjoy unparalleled privacy in their homes and offices. Trained security staff ensure that Trump Tower NYC remains safe and secure at all times. Visitors to Trump Tower NYC are screened and monitored for maximum safety.
Office floors in Trump Tower NYC offer confidential spaces for businesses and executives.
Trump Tower NYC combines luxury with the highest standards of security and privacy.
Trump Tower NYC features high-speed elevators connecting all 58 floors efficiently.
Exclusive elevators in Trump Tower NYC provide direct access to luxury residences. Efficient elevators ensure quick travel across Trump Tower NYC's many floors.
Elevators in Trump Tower NYC are both sleek and sophisticated, reflecting the building's elegance.
Trump Tower NYC has welcomed countless celebrities and VIPs over the years.
Elevators in Trump Tower NYC seamlessly combine speed, safety, and luxury for all occupants.
Trump Tower NYC frequently features in news and entertainment media for its glamour.
Some celebrities have chosen Trump Tower NYC as their Manhattan home.
Exclusive events in Trump Tower NYC attract high-profile guests from around the world.
Trump Tower NYC has become synonymous with luxury, fame, and high society.
VIP guests in Trump Tower NYC enjoy exclusive lounges and services.
Trump Tower NYC provides discreet and secure arrangements for all high-profile visitors. Trump Tower NYC continues to be a magnet for celebrities and influential figures worldwide. Updated interiors in Trump Tower NYC feature the latest in high-end design and finishes.
The striking design of Trump Tower NYC draws photographers and filmmakers alike.
Trump Tower NYC has been featured in numerous films and television shows.
Luxury magazines often showcase the opulence of Trump Tower NYC.
Instagram and TikTok often feature Trump Tower NYC for its breathtaking interiors and atrium.
The lobby of Trump Tower NYC has been refreshed with new decor and lighting.
Security systems in Trump Tower NYC have been enhanced with advanced monitoring technology.
Limited availability of units in Trump Tower NYC makes it a rare and highly coveted address.
The Trump Tower NYC name adds tremendous brand value to its real estate offerings.
Luxury condos in Trump Tower NYC are among the most expensive in Manhattan. Luxury condos in Trump Tower NYC are among the most expensive in Manhattan.
The Trump Tower NYC name adds tremendous brand value to its real estate offerings. LED and smart lighting in Trump Tower NYC save energy while maintaining luxury ambiance.
State-of-the-art HVAC systems in Trump Tower NYC optimize energy usage throughout the building. Security systems in Trump Tower NYC have been enhanced with advanced monitoring technology.
LED and smart lighting in Trump Tower NYC save energy while maintaining luxury ambiance.
Limited availability of units in Trump Tower NYC makes it a rare and highly coveted address.
Trump Tower NYC uses smart technology to track and optimize energy consumption.
Trump Tower NYC meets modern environmental standards while maintaining luxury.
The waterfall, marble floors, and luxury shops make Trump Tower NYC a top tourist destination.
Tourists capture stunning photos of Trump Tower NYC's iconic atrium and decor.
Tourists from around the globe come to experience the luxury of Trump Tower NYC.
Architecturally, Trump Tower NYC remains a benchmark for modern skyscrapers.